Hey guys, welcome back to Moto Ramblings.
Hello, this is Saddlebag 73 in sunny Cornwall in the UK, and you're watching Moto Ramblings. Enjoy the ride.
Today is a beautiful Sunday afternoon, absolutely perfect weather, 70 degrees. It's late afternoon. I had my grandson today, so I didn't get out until much later. And I am trying to hunt me up some dirt roads. And I believe I found one. I just turned off of 2570 in between Marshall and Hot Springs. I'm trying to find Hurricane Gap Road into Tennessee. Something I saw somebody mentioned on Facebook. I'm taking it a little easy at the moment. I saw some Jeeps just come off this road. And as you can see, it's a single-lane road. I really don't want to run into any more. But this Hurricane Gap Road is an extension of this road, which I believe is called Lookout Mountain Road, Lookout Road, maybe, something like that. I'm not positive. Anyway, I saw a thing on Facebook. Somebody was talking about connecting these two roads. Hurricane Gap Road is actually in the Tennessee side. And eventually, looking at a map that I could not download, it looks to me like I can connect this road, Hurricane Gap Road, and then I can actually connect that to Paint Fork Road, another dirt road, that runs down into Hot Springs and or into Del Rio, Tennessee. Now, those are roads I've been on recently. I did a video cruising around on those and having an absolute blast. And so I'm going to see what I can do about trying to connect these roads and see what kind of shape they're in, all that good stuff. Because, like I said, I saw a post on Facebook and someone was asking, what the road conditions were and if they were able to connect them. And I thought, well, it's pretty close to my house, so I'll give it a shot. Now, if the road were to get real rough or the territory was real bad, I'd probably wait until I had somebody to do this with me. But right now, just a dirt road like this, I feel pretty confident that I shouldn't have any issues. So that's my goal today. Now, I would have loved to have done this much earlier, but like I said, I had my grandson today. So my goal today is to just ride some dirt roads and see if I can't put this little circle together. Yeah, crap, I was supposed to reset my odometer when I get on here, and I didn't. And I still missed. What the heck? Do that again. All right. So I'm going to be, I don't know, a mile short maybe? So anyway, I'm going to cruise around through the woods here, see what I can find, and see how much fun I can have. Because I love these dirt roads. And I think I may have mentioned this before. I think having two bikes is great, but I think I got to have the right two bikes. I see lots of people with more than one bike, and a lot of them have multiple bikes, which I think is awesome. If I were to get a third bike, I think I would probably want something that's even more off-road capable than this, because I've got the Goldwing. That's my touring bike. That's my, fun, long rides. Let's just go and have a great time bike. I've got this bike for Forest Service roads and this kind of thing, and it's perfect. I was on the highway getting here, 65, 70 miles an hour, and then I get on the dirt roads and I can still kick it around and have a ball. Now, if I were to get like a small little dual sport / dirt bike kind of thing, I could do this even, with more fun, more speed, more agility. The Transamerica Trail and that kind of thing might be better suited for that kind of bike. But for me right now, two bikes is what I need. Does absolutely perfect for what I want to do. I'm not a trail rider by any means, so this is perfect for me. I have no issues with this. Now, if it got a little rougher, that's okay too on this bike. But if it's actual trail riding, I'm probably not going to want to do it, even if I had a smaller, lighter, more capable bike for that kind of thing. So anyway, I will check back with y'all at another time. I'm just going to cruise through these roads and see if I can't figure my way to this loop. I looked at it on a map. I have a general idea, although I don't know the distances. I have no idea how long I'll be on this road before I can get to that Hurricane Gap Road. And so, yeah, I think I'm going to shut the cameras all off, shut the audio off. I might turn some music on down low. And then I am just going to concentrate on riding this road and having some fun. I may turn the cameras on and record the road, riding the road. Oh, look at that. I told you, it's an absolutely stunningly beautiful day. Maybe I'll even catch a really cool view up here somewhere. So, anyway, thanks for joining me. And I hope everyone can stay safe, stay happy. I did my own sign-off wrong. That's pretty bad. Let's try that again. Wonder if I should make a blooper reel. All right, I hope everyone can stay well, stay safe, and stay happy. Moto Ramblings out.